Well, guys, here we are. Super excited to have this job done. Took us right at about 6 hours. Had my buddy Ron helping me most of the day, or actually he helped me all day. My son stopped in a little bit here and there. So the cool thing about this is we installed some mirror cameras, front camera, and a trailer camera. Trailer's not hooked up right now, so I can't show that to you, but I want to show you the kind of the rest of the stuff. So one of the cool functions about this system is you just kind of, after it's set up, hold the back button for 3 seconds. It comes up to the system. If you want to see your left-hand camera, you push your left-hand camera, and there's the view from the left-hand camera. You can click back on it. My right camera, there's my right camera. Don't mind my messy yard, moving things around. Click back. The other camera in the center is where I set up my front camera. So that's looking out the front of the yard to my actual gate. And then one of the other benefits you have right now is I have the left split and right, so you can see both sides when you're actually driving. Once the trailer's hooked up, I hit on trailer. It actually will show me what the camera looks like on the back side of the trailer at the same time while I'm towing, while I'm driving. If I really want to do a 3 split, I can also click on this one, which is the trailer and the 2 side mirrors. Super cool. It is not for the faint of heart. Definitely took a full day of wire and install. I'll have a bunch of pictures attached to this video so you can kind of see what actually took place, and then kind of move on. But definitely very happy with the outcome of it. Definitely happy with the settings of it. Cameras look great. Functionality. It's raining here. It's been downpouring all day. Cameras still look great even in the rain. So really no complaints. All in all, great day. Pretty much a full day. So see you guys later. Definitely the Stinger Solutions product is definitely it's worth the install when you actually have the time to go ahead and do it. If you are a true novice at wiring, taking door parts, taking your dash apart, might want to have a friend come help you or hire someone to do it for you. But all in all, so far the solution seems to be really good and excited to use it.